this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by QTHAIR. Yes, honey, it sounds like Cutie, okay? I think their little slogan is be a cutie with QTHAIR. I like that. I think that's cute because, honey, I feel like I'm the cutie and I feel like y'all are cuties, okay? So shout out to y'all for that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go on their email and give you guys the details and specs. So it says it's Cutie Ombre Honey Blonde 5x5 short bob 12-inch 180% density wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on their site to give you guys some more details and specs about this unit. So on their site it says brown ombre honey blonde color lace wig short bob double drawn raw human hair density. It says it's available in 8, 10, 12, and 14 inches. If I'm not mistaken, I did say they sent me 12 inches. It's given 12, girl. Okay, your girl probably needed an 8 or a 10, like for sure. I don't have no neck. Okay, so I definitely need an 8 or 10, but whatever, okay? It's available in a 4x4 closure, a 5x5 closure, and it's also available in 13x4 frontal wig. They have it in Ombre 427, which is what I have. They also have Highlight P4/27, Ombre 1B99J, and Ombre 1B30. So those are all the colors and stuff that they have. Now, as far